Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to withdraw USDT from Exodus wallet to bank account. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Exodus wallet application. Once you have logged into your Exodus wallet, here you need to select USDT. So scroll and here you will find Tether USDT. Simply tap on it. And after that, at the bottom left corner, here you will find send button. Simply tap on this send button. Once you tap on this send button, it will ask you to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw from your Exodus wallet. If I simply enter 220 US dollars. Once you enter the amount of USDT, here you can see your remaining amount of USDT, and after that it will require a network fee. So here you can also see your network fee. Now here is a warning which says to start a transaction you need Ethereum on the Ethereum network, deposit at least 0.0006 Ethereum and try again. So once you enter the amount of USDT, after that you just have to pay the network fee, and after here you will see confirm option. If you tap on the confirm option, it will ask you for a address because you can send these amount of USDT via depositing addresses. So in order to find depositing addresses, you have to simply open your Binance exchange, because you can't actually withdraw your funds from Exodus wallet directly into your bank account. First you just have to transfer your USDT from Exodus wallet into any third-party exchange. After that, you can withdraw your funds from that particular third-party exchange into your bank account. So in this video I will be choosing Binance. You need to open your Binance application. Now you need to tap on the assets at the bottom right corner. After that, click on add funds, and here you will see selection deposit method. So simply tap on on-chain deposit. Now select USDT. After selecting USDT, click on Tether. Now you need to select a network. So simply select Ethereum network, because Exodus wallet USDT is on Ethereum network. So you need to select same network on both sides or you will lose your fund. Now simply select Ethereum, and now here you will find your USDT Ethereum deposit address. Copy this and you have to just paste your address in that particular address area. Once you paste it, select the network, and after that click on confirm transaction, and your USDT from Exodus wallet will be transferred into your Binance exchange. Once you received your USDT in your Binance exchange, after that you just have to click on your more button. Once you received your USDT in Binance exchange, now you just have to tap on your assets at the bottom right corner and click on transfer. After that you just have to convert your assets. So I will simply select coin if I select USDT. So if your USDT is in funding wallet, so simply convert it into your spot wallet. After that, enter the amount of USDT and click on confirm transfer. Now you just have to go back to your home screen and click on more. Now here you will find P2P at the recommend section. Simply tap on P2P, and now we have to sell our USDT in order to get back the amount in our bank account. So simply we will click on sell button, and after that you just have to select the currency. So select the currency, enter the currency here. You can select any currency as per your region. I will selecting here PKR. After selecting, simply tap on it. Now here you will find many merchants. So find a verified merchant with a good price, and always make sure to check that merchant support bank transfer. So simply I will open official merchant and click on this sell button. After I tap sell button, now enter the amount of USDT I want to sell, and now I will select the payment method. You can select bank transfer here, or you can easily select your country supported bank method. If I select aid bank transfer button, now here I will need to enter the bank account details here. Once you enter all your bank account details, simply click on confirm, and your bank payment method will be added to your P2P section. After that, here you can see the